In this episode of the 1 Minute Marketing Show, we're talking all about social media platforms and where you should be publishing your video content. Hello and welcome to the 1 Minute Marketing Show. I'm your host Joshua Vandenbroek, and in this episode, we're going to be answering a question from Simon Matthews, who asks, I keep getting told I need to be everywhere when it comes to social media, but given that it takes so much time, what platform would you suggest that I be publishing my videos on first? Well, first of all, it comes down to what is the objective of your videos? Because if you are creating videos with no objective, then you're wasting your time. And if you want to be found in search, then I'd suggest that you would focus on YouTube as a platform, because it's one of the greatest platforms for getting found. It is a search engine, it's owned by Google, so it makes sense that if you want to be found in search, then you need to be on YouTube. If you're wanting to build an audience from scratch, then you need to be thinking about who is your target customer, what is your ideal audience going to be like? Where are they currently living? If you're in the B2B space and you're working more at a corporate level, then you might want to focus on LinkedIn. If you do already have an audience, then I suggest that you focus in on where they are. So if you're not sure where they are, then it's your job now to find that out. Whatever it is that you need to do to find out where they are and start producing videos. I would say don't try to be everywhere, because it is very much a mistake that most people do make. They try to be everywhere, they spread themselves too thin. I would focus on one, maybe two platforms, focus your efforts there, get really good, build a good audience, and then go from there. If you have a question that you would like us to answer on the 1 Minute Marketing Show, then drop your questions to the email that's on your screen right now, and I'll catch you in the next episode.